Hi, I'm Desislava, your trusted guide that will give you the skills and the tools for you to empower and motivate yourself. With my assistance, you uncover that successful and confident person inside of you who will live in happiness and in physical, emotional and mental health. Today, I would like to talk about journaling, a technique that is used by numerous coaches, and there is a reason for it. In this video, I will teach you why you should keep a journal, what are the benefits from keeping a journal, and how to do it exactly. The benefits of keeping a journal are numerous. People increase their mental balance. They feel better, lowers stress. It increases clarity. By writing down your thoughts, you increase your self-awareness. You become aware of the beliefs that form your everyday life. You see them written clearly on paper. It helps you highlight your values and your goals. It highlights certain behavior that you might not even know you are having. It's almost like meditating. It makes you slow your thought process. Our thoughts run faster than our writing. You are, in a way, forcing your thoughts to slow down so you could write them down. Create space between each word you are thinking. The power of writing unlocks you. Expressing what you think, what you feel, takes you out of your own head. You can't control the speed that you think with. You maybe are emotionally stressed and everything becomes a chaos in your head. If you take few minutes to sit down and start writing everything that is in your mind, you could organize this chaos so much better. When you put your fears on a paper, to some degree, it decreases the levels of negative thoughts, of negative emotions attached to that fear. The good thing about journaling is that you can create parts in that journal where you put all the things that you're grateful for, even the small things, because gratitude heals almost everything. Keeping a journal teaches you how to be honest with yourself. You create an honest conversation, communication with yourself. When you write down everything that you feel good about today, everything good and amazing that you did, that you're happy with yourself, your brain relieves that moment. You get to feel once again the good feelings that you felt while experiencing this positive situation that you're writing about. Journaling can help you as well reach all your goals. Why? Because it is proven fact that by keeping a journal of all the progress you are having and you are planning on having for reaching a specific goal, you are much more likely to reach it. So now let's move to the second part. How exactly can you keep a journal? You don't need to write perfectly. There are no boundaries. It's your choice. Most of the times you don't even need to know what you have to write. Just pick up the journal, pick up your pen and start writing whatever comes to your mind. It's easier if you build a schedule. Why? Because in time you'll learn to do it yourself, but at first you have to build that practice to make it a habit. From 5 to 20 minutes, no more, no less, every single day. The time when you know that you will have at most 20 minutes to yourself with no distractions. After you're done writing, reread all that you have written today and then add additional notes. What to do exactly when journaling? It's always recommended to put a date on your entries. Like that you can keep track, title them as well, if you can. It's not specific rule, but it is always good to organize all those stuff. If you have hard time starting writing about your emotions, about your thoughts, there is no stopping you from writing something completely out of topic. You can write creatively, you can write poems, you can write songs, little sentences that you think throughout the day, something that pops up in your mind. This is your specific space that is safe, that is secure, so you could be open with your own self. Another suggestion is writing letters that you will never send to yourself or to people that you wish you could, to your old lover, to somebody that has hurt you. Another helpful method in writing a journal is writing an entry from another perspective. Maybe from a bird's eye, maybe from a colleague's perspective. It puts everything in a different angle. It makes you aware of things that you might not have been aware till now. You can draw whatever you feel. Pick up the pen and put it on paper. Even if it helps, I promise it helps. Maybe not every day you know what to talk about, what to write about, and that's okay. Just close your eyes and ask yourself, what are you feeling right now? What was good about today? What am I happy with? Was there a problem? Describe the problem. Describe the situation. You can start, but it's not a rule, with I feel, I think, I wonder. And then some of those things, you're so very welcome to share them with your coach. So now I turn to you guys. Do you keep a journal? If you do have some of my suggestions been new to you? Some of the advice I've given to you, will you use them? Which specific? Share them with me. And if you are thinking of starting a journal, I recommend that you do it. I applaud you when you start. So this is it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video, you found it helpful, and that I was able to persuade you to start journaling. And see you next time. Bye, guys!